Hello there, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be sharing with you guys some kind of Gmail application hidden features. So these are the options you might don't know, so you might not use till now. So here I'm going to be sharing with you guys. So if you are new to the channel, subscribe to the channel. So without doing anything further, let's get started. First of all, go to Gmail. As you can see, like this interface of Gmail application homepage. So if you want to switch any of the Gmail account, you might have a lot of Gmail accounts, right? So if you want to switch any of the Gmail accounts, so what you will be do, so let me tell you. So you might click on the Gmail profile on top right side corner, and then you will switch. So whatever you wish to switch any of the Gmail account, right? So here you don't have to do that kind of way. So you can see the top right side corner Gmail profile. You can scroll it down. Simply you can scroll it down and it will be switched. So the following Gmail accounts that you have in your mobile, right? So let me do this again. As you can see, so just scroll it down, small scroll it down, and it will be switched. So whatever you have Gmail accounts in your mobile, right? So you can see the profile logos are changing right now. So this is the quickly way to switch any of the Gmail accounts that you have in your mobile. So after that, I have another interesting options also. So if you want to delete or archive and send any message to any person or something like that, so what will be happen? So let me show you some examples. Let me delete this mail. So let me click on delete. So it's asking the delete this conversation. So it's asking like this. So let me click OK. So here what's happening, so this message has deleted, right? It will never show you like this. Okay, you might enable this option in your mobile Gmail app settings. So let me do the default options so that I will show you how those options going to be. Okay, so here we have one message. Let me click on the message. As you can see, the delete icon top right side, so just click on it. So the message has been successfully deleted right now. And then what will we do is, so you might archive the message like this. So let me swipe right. So here you can see the message has archived successfully, right? And then we have another option also. So you might send any of the option anybody. So you can click compose and you will send anyone any messages like this. So let me send one message. As you can see here, so let me send one message. The message has been sent, right? So here we are going to change the option that will help you to optimize your Gmail application usage performance. So as you can see, the top left side corner, click on the menu button and then click on settings. So here you have general settings also. So click on it and then scroll it down. As you can see here, we have three options: confirm before deleting, confirm before archiving, confirm before sending. So these three options are going to play big role. So this will help you to avoid coincidence if you miss to delete any messages or sending messages, so something like that. Okay, so if you miss to type any words from your mail, so you can edit the mail so do while watching. Okay, so let me tell you one example. So here I am sending one message to one person. As you can see, the compose mail, I'm just writing some words. So here I missed to type one L, right? So coincidentally I'm sending this message like this. So it's asking right now, send this message. It's a confirmation. So if you want to send this message, you can click on the message like OK, then it will be sent. OK, so it's used to for avoid coincidence. So use these three options, and as I told you, the Gmail switch option as well. So I hope this video helpful for you. So if you are new to the channel, so subscribe to the channel and you will never miss any updated videos from our channel like this. So thanks for watching.